Hey, what's going on, everybody? Y'all know who it is. It's JJ. You know, we back at it like an addict, no rehab. Cause you know I'm addicted to giving you guys advice. So I'm gonna show y'all what I picked up here at the school auction. Um, so this a little small little safe. We got 51 Chromebooks, Chrome cards. We bought one pallet. So it's one pallet with 51 Chromebooks on there for 250. Then I bought two Chromebook carts. You know, that's the cars like to trade them. So I ended up actually spending almost 486. So that's one thing. But this is what I got. Some Chromebooks. Here. See, got some of these, like basic type Chromebooks. But you know, see, you know, we got them. Then we got some of these right here that flip. So we got some of these that flip, and so you know, see, like they do like that. So they touchscreen, they flip. I don't know if this any of these is charged or not. Let me see. Probably not. But I got the chargers to them. But yeah, they're Chromebooks. I don't know what they're worth. You know, probably worth about $50, 50, $60. Have to sort. You know, we got a lot of these. You know, a lot of these flip touches. A lot of them. You know, 51. I didn't count and make sure it was 51, but they said it was 51 on the pallet, but I didn't count them. 100% sure, but it looks like 51. So we got 2 boxes full. So we got 2 boxes full. Like I said, some of them is, you know, some of them just the regular laptops, but they're still Chromebooks or they're still touchscreens. Then some of these flip touchscreens. So I don't know. Probably like, these are probably worth like 60, 50, 60 bucks, give or take. Give or take, you know, 50, 60 bucks. Then the other ones are probably worth like 30, 40 bucks or something. I don't know. Laptops are not expensive as they used to be. They need like little Chromebook, these to make some good little high school, college kid, you know, little laptops if you need a little cheap laptop or something. You know, if you can. You know, so we got a lot of these. But you know, we gotta get my thumb. We gotta use one of these boxes as a thumbnail. Yeah. Yeah, so I count them all out. I think it's 51. If it was 51 on the pallet, if they counted it out, that means it was 51. But it looks like 50, 51. It is 2 boxes. I think they stack up like 12 on each side, 12, 24. I don't think they might not stacked up 12 on both sides, but I don't know. Just wanted to make a little quick video show y'all. That's one pallet I got. I got another pallet of stuff that I gotta go pick up. I actually gotta get my backpack. So I'll make another video of that. So this was for basically just call it $500. You know, just call it 500. So 500 on this, and then I spent another 500 on the other pallet of stuff. So I mean, do some quick calculations. Just say, so I say if I sell them, if I average $50 a piece, you know, or $40 a piece, just say 40, and just say I say if I average just sell them $40 a piece, you know, it ain't no rush to sell them. They're all sell, you know. They could probably sell them more than that. I don't know. I'm not 100% sure. I have to go on there and the value, but like I said, they're probably not that much because everybody got tablets nowadays and Chromebooks. But I like the ones that flip, you know. So those will probably sell quick. So if I just sell all those and just make like $1,000 off of those, hey, that is what it is. And then I might just get the other ones as a way it's just gifts, you know. All the regular laptops, you know, Christmas gifts, and just gift them away, you know. Just got to make sure they all work. But all of them, I did plug up most of them. I plugged up like 10 of them work. So I haven't plugged up the rest of them because they were dead. So I have to try to plug up and make sure all of them work. So hopefully at least about, hopefully 45 out of the 51 works. So then I can sell them like, you know, between $40 to $60 a piece. But let me know in the comment section below. Is $46 a piece? I think that's more than a fair price, you know. But I have to, like I said, I have to keep looking at the value. But I'm pretty sure 40 to 60 is kind of where they're at. You know, they are used. So they are used, so it is what it is. But yeah, just make a little quick video. Appreciate that. I'll show y'all the other, about to go to the, pick up the other stuff. So I'll make a separate video of that. And then I kind of walk around the warehouse and let y'all see like all the stuff that they got. But I don't know, I might walk around. I don't know if I'm able to record all up in there and stuff like that. And I don't, you know, because it's, the auction's over with. So the auction came through and they auctioned the stuff off for the school. So they're on to the next auction. But I don't even know where the next auction is. This is just a state auction, school auction in Oklahoma. I just wonder, and that's just one. They just did it at one location. They didn't even, this is just one location. We have like other districts and stuff. So I wondered, did they go to a different district and how much stuff is at the other districts, you know? And then imagine like school auctions in like Texas and California and New York and like Washington and stuff like that. I wonder how crazy those auctions is. If this got this type of little stuff, because they had a lot of stuff there, a lot of stuff that didn't run. A lot of stuff they didn't run. Oh yeah, these two, but this is like, this is something that I went in with. Got these right here. Oh, these things is heavy. They're like smart boards. You know, like touchscreen, like smart boards are like True Touch. They're like 65 inches or something like that. What are they, like 65s or something like that? 65s or something. They're just like, they're kind of like this. They're like the updated version of these smart boards. They're like, it's like this one. This is the old one with the projector. See, that one needs a projector because it's just a smart board, so it needs a projector. But this one's actually a touchscreen, so you don't need a projector. So it plugs in like a TV. So we got one of those. Those are like 50 bucks, you know, but that's not even on the receipt because my cousin ended up buying them. And I just bought one from him, so they were like 50 bucks. But I don't know. Let me know in the comment section below how I did and what y'all would sell it for, and I'm out. Peace.